ready to ditch the communication chaos and unlock a world of seamless connections. Let's dive right into setting up your Twilio account. First, head over to Twilio.com and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a strong password, and verify your email. Make sure you use a valid email as you'll need it for verification. Next, Twilio will ask you to verify your account with your phone number. Enter your number, and Twilio will send you a verification code. Great! Once verified, you'll land on your Twilio account dashboard here. You'll find your account SID and auth token. These are like the username and password for your Twilio account, so keep them safe. Now, let's generate an API key. Navigate to the API Keys section in your console and click on Create API Key. Give your API key a descriptive name to remember what it's for, then click Create. Remember, you only see the secret once, so store it securely. Finally, you'll need a Twilio phone number. Click on the Phone Numbers section and select By a Number. Here, you can search for available numbers based on country, area code, or capabilities. Choose a number that suits your needs and click Buy. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Twilio account, generated an API key, and acquired a phone number. Now you're all set to explore the power of Twilio.